Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by naming the problem and securing commitment. Identify the top 3 pain points and who must be present. Once done, book a focused 30-minute reset meeting within 48 hours so momentum isn't lost. You should prepare a 1-page agenda that lists outcomes, time boxes, and expected decisions. Explain why each item matters to the team's goals so people come ready. Make sure to signal that actions, not blame, are the aim, and bring a simple timer or shared doc. You guide the session with a strict agenda and enforce time boxes so discussion stays productive. Start with context, then surface the concrete issues. Once themes emerge, have the group vote on priority solutions to focus energy. After choices are made, assign clear owners and deadlines, no ambiguity, because accountability drives follow-through. Make sure to capture decisions in a shared doc in real time and read back commitments. When consensus is shaky, propose a trial period and measurable check-in. You now implement 2-week experiments so new practices can be validated quickly. Pick 1 or 2 simple metrics to show progress and review them. Once done, hold a short weekly 15-minute check to surface blockers and adjust roles before frustration builds. If the team stalls, make a troubleshooting fallback. Bring in an impartial facilitator or narrow the scope to regain momentum. Remember why changes were made. Reinforce wins publicly and iterate until behaviors become routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.